Good morning from BARA Integration TV. We are here on this beautiful oceanfront view of the beautiful beaches of BARA. Look guys, we're staying at the Mansoura Hotel, the only oceanfront hotel in this entire area. I'm excited to share this journey as we learn about BARA and why Somali love lives here. Summer vacations, winter, we're coming to BARA, baby. Look at this sand, woo! Ah! So we arrived here last night. I couldn't help thinking how beautiful the stars, the romance on this beach. And I was thinking to myself, is there such thing as Somali child? Because in BARA, it's the perfect place for soulmates to meet, I say. But guess what, guys? I found out there's a legend here of a man who fell in love with a woman named Hodan. Hey, we are lovable, okay? Anyways, he's buried here in this city. His name is Ilmi Boderi, and he is one of the originators of Somali love. So we're gonna visit his grave and learn all about why he was in love with this woman named Hodan. Integration TV, join us live from BARA. What more beauty could there be in this beautiful nation of ours but this beautiful ocean? Don't discriminate against any part of Somalia. Join in the integration of tourism of our great country. Just arrived here right now at this cemetery where traditional Somali storytelling says that Ilmi Boderi, who died for the sake of love for a woman named Hodan, is buried here. Now, many say that they don't know the exact location of his area that he's buried, but it's actually right here. So welcome to the cemetery where Somali love died, but I think it can be revived, okay guys? Somali love can come back right here. Ilmi Boderi, the tradition continues in BARA. Follow me as I show you more around the great city of BARA. Where the legend Ilmi Boderi met the love of his life. Basically, where did he meet this woman named Hodan to fall in love with her? And a legend says that he was making bread every morning and she would come to his store and look for that sweet bread. So we're gonna find out his shop right now. He used to work at a mufa shop. Well, jacaylku wada rootidan uu sameynaya. Rooti kaysatay. Anigana markaan laas caanood aaday rootidii laas caanood baan jeclaaday. Maybe Ilmi Boderi rooti macaan buu sameyn jiray. Maxaa laga ogyahay? Hodan every morning way iman jirtay. Rootidii ma haysaa? Woo! So we just arrived to find out where Ilmi Boderi made the love that Hodan fell in love with. It looks like this is the actual bread shop where the father of love, Abihi Jacaylka or Somalida done. Right here, guys. This is where, and guess what? He was an entrepreneur. You know I love entrepreneurs. So, nimanka Somalia, shaqar haadsada, okay? Waxa gacanta soo saara. Jacaylki Ilmi Boderi, right here. The father of love. This is his shop. I think it's closed now, but we're gonna reopen the love, guys. Jacaylki wala soo celin doona. dhintay maamada jacaylka waa in la soo celiyaa nolosha isin soo dhaweeya jacaylkii wuu soo noqon doonaa maama ma kula hadli karaa kuu soo dhawaada islaanta waxay tiri islaan oo xagga fadhido waxay tiri jacaylkii wuu dhintay but jacayl ma dhiman guys I still have hope there's love is still here welcome back nolosha isin soo dhaweeya. So guys, I've been walking around where Ilmi Boderi's business area was, and it's fascinating that this man, I guess his legend continues because people are telling me he has a house here that you can